Hey guys, welcome back to Dad's Garage. Please remember to hit that thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I've been told lately that a lot of people are not getting notified of my videos. In fact, I had a person the other day that said, "Did you quit YouTube because the last video that you did was about your friend's Corvette Z06? Well, that was like 3 months ago, and I do at least one every week. So if you don't get any notification of me doing a video, I'm doing a video, so there's something wrong. So what we've learned is you could unsubscribe, resubscribe, just make sure you remember to resubscribe. Just do it immediately, and then hit that notification bell, and then you'll start getting those notices again. So the new Scat pack is here, and one thing I ordered for it a long time ago, back when I ordered this car, you know, it took 10 weeks to get here, but I had ordered way in advance what's in this box right here. And those of you watching, probably most of you know what this is going to be in here, but I thought this is going to look fantastic on this silver car with black rims, just keeping kind of the theme of black and silver. So ordered these things, took probably 4 to 6 weeks to get here. I was actually getting nervous that the car was going to be here first, but who is to know the car was going to be delayed as long as it was. But anyway, so everybody knows the exhaust tips on these things are only like 3-inch tips, 3.5 inch tips. They really don't fill out the hole the way that you'd want them to. They look all right, but it can look a heck of a lot better, especially with these. So this is what we're gonna put on that baby. These are the Carven. They make these as you order them, so that's why it's going to take a while to get them. They send them off to be ceramic coated, and this is the tips. They're a 5-inch tip, and they are going to look fantastic on this silver car. So let's unpackage this other one, and then we're going to crawl under the car, and we're going to walk you step by step through this installation. It's pretty quick and easy. One bolt on each side, you're done. And we're actually going to get to test out our little Milwaukee 3/8 inch ratchet on this job too. Just, you know, we got it, we might as well use it. So let's give it a shot. So let's crawl under this car and see what it's like to put these things on. All right, so you can see here what it looks like currently with the current tips. And of course this car's got 45 miles on it, so they're perfectly clean. They do look nice, but these new Carven tips are going to look way better. Let's go up under the car.
Okay. So.
All right, so really all we're going to do here is we are going to get this clamp off. It's kind of a U-clamp. It's really nice quality. But let's see. I believe these are 13 millimeter. Yes, that's correct.
Okay.
All right, I got Joshua here helping out with this, going counterclockwise, so that's correct. So if it won't break it loose, then what you can do is use it like a ratchet. So you just pull until it will. Now it should run it right off.
Nope.
Nope. Okay. There you go. All right, that's good. And then this thing just pulls straight off from there.
Want to get the tips?
Yep. And this is already kind of tacked on here, so it's not going anywhere, which is super nice.
Does it matter which one?
Nope.
Okay.
Now you just got to kind of feed this back into that ring again and make sure that it's back in there the way it's supposed to be, and then get it centered. So you want to look at it from behind, get it centered in the hole, and then we're going to tighten that baby down. We will make sure Carven is at the very top too. That'll tell us it's Okay, there we go. Let's tighten her down, Joshua.
Switch this back. Is that good?
Because that tip's so big, your ratchet now is hitting the tip. There you go.
Okay.
Yep, do it. One more, and that should be plenty. Good, there you go. All right, that one's in there nice and secure. So now I want you to see the difference. Versus this. For me, it's a significant difference.
I could agree.
And Joshua agrees. All right, so now we're gonna go away for just a minute. We're gonna do this other one. We're gonna come back and show you what it looks like with the second one on there as well. All right, here we go. Let's see what they look like.